Hey, what's up, Kisho holders? So today video is going very special and very important and very urgent for Kisho holder because this time you can see the Kisho price is come to zero and they gone fails very fastly. They fails down minus 6.1%. They fails down, my friend, and the last days and the last the current change occur, my friend, very bad. So therefore the latest update is very important, my friend. So kindly in this video also, my friend, I tell you about the Kisho prediction to in upcoming days. They're moving up or they fails down more. So let's get start this brand video, but I request you, my brother, to please, before I get start this video, I request you to click out the subscribe button, subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos for this type latest news and updates, videos notification. Thank you so much, my brother, for subscribing our YouTube channel. This time, if you can see here the last 1 hour chart, first of all, see, this is very important for you to know about the latest change occurred. You can see here in the last 1 hour chart is on the screen, and this time minus 0.64% they fails down. So I think this is not a small change occur, very bad change occur, my friend. And the Kisho, you can see here in the last 1 hour, and completely they fails down, but definitely after fails they take a jump. So this time you can see here they take a short jump, but again I know they fails down. So what's the condition, my friend, why they fails down? And this time especially I tell you after this chart. First of all, we see the last 7 days chart to what's going on, and then we predicate, my friend, to upcoming days they moving up or they fails down. Yes, exactly, my friend. If you can see here this time, the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and remember to all crypto market fails down in the last 7 days chart because this is the start of month. This is one big reason, my friend, to in the start of month every cryptocurrency fails down. So 42.79% they gone up like a rocket. So definitely one of the fastest going, my friend, and this time in the crypto market. You can see here, my friend, I draw a two line, my friend. The one line touch the highest point, the second line touch the lowest point. So my friend, you can see here this they moving and this circulation exactly, my friend. All cryptocurrencies moving in this circulation to after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. So this time, my friends, definitely they're moving in this circulation. So if you can see here, my friend, this point, then exactly, my friend, this point they show you, my friend, today going off like a rocket. So I think this is the, if you remember the last 1 hour chart, then exactly, my friend, I think this is the just last this is just short fails, my friend. I hope in upcoming days they move up like a rocket. So the good time is coming soon. Kindly holders, please don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope they're going up like a rocket. So definitely if they take this type jump, then absolutely, my friend, they hit it $0.1 US dollar at the end of this month. But definitely if they cannot fails down like the last 1 hour. So I hope, my friend, in upcoming days they're moving up. So kindly hold it, don't sell it and wait for a good time. I hope they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification.